Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to go live on TikTok without 1000 fans. So let's get right into it. We know we can't go to live on TikTok without 1000 fans. So all you need to do is head over to your profile and go to the hamburger menu. Select settings and privacy. Here, scroll down until you see an option report a problem. Once you're there, you'll see an option live. Head over there and go to hosting live. And then go to I can't find any live on TikTok or any of the what. Then click on no and go to need more help. Here TikTok will give you a TikTok's help desk. So all you need to do is here send a message to TikTok that you can't go live on TikTok because there is no option right there. So all you need to do is to restore that option again. So hopefully TikTok will reply you within 24 to 72 hours and then you will be able to get live on TikTok without your 1000 fans. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.